factor. That's what decides if you get walk or you get a pitch down the middle. Ow. That's about as expected as it is. Awesome. You gotta throw it around. You film it? Oh, you're cool. Even the kids hate him. There we go. Joey. Throw it around. Jake. Lazarus, you got started on that. What is that, silver or something? We gotta get dirty. Go somewhere in white. I can't get dirty today. That's what God has been involved for. He's about to smoke fully. I don't think that's a good idea. Wow, let's get ready up there. Oh! He got some more rain. Hey, we're gonna roll up the next one. I'm feeling it. Oh! Nice, sir. And the catch. You called it. You called it. Nice. That's white. Oh, you already threw it up. Okay. Roll it up. Scoop. Oh! Everybody makes mistakes. Shot. See ya! The J. What's up, Aspen? Feel all right? Ow! Hey, take out! Hey, take out! Coach, you're gonna play tomorrow. I got a career-ending injury. I can't do anything.
It hasn't been diagnosed yet, Johnny. Internal bleeding.
I don't know. I think I might have torn something. Maybe. We got 3 weeks left. It can't happen like this.
Let's go. Running for today.
2 laps around the outside of the field at your own pace. Look for foul balls.
You got somebody that dropped any bombs?
Can we just run back?
2 laps. Let's run. Hey, let's go, Lazos. I need a running partner. Come on.
Come with me, Johnny.
I'm pubes itch. Come on now.
I know it'd be a good time for me.
Oh, cut on the other side. There we go.
Ah, dog shit. Look across the pool, asshole. Johnny, we eat this hot shit.
Would you shut the fuck up for $20?
Nope.
Well, I'm not eating that.
Well, make sure you got it.
If you eat the dog shit for 20, that will
Shut up.
Nah. Ah.
More dog shit.
Put that away, Lazos. We have kids out here. I can pull mine out. Ah, man. Come bother me!
Yeah, because they won't close it.
Yeah. My legs are tightening. This is why you stretch. Oh my God, that hurts. Your mom's pussy really is old. 1, 2. Woo! You're black. I ain't going to no army. I'll go to the Marine Corps. No slowing down, let's go! Keep it up! Woo. One more, let's go! Ooh, I'm about to sing a song. Anybody know a good running song? Bascom, you're gay!
Dog shit.
What? I don't even know the lyrics to that.
That's fine.
Oh, my legs are really tightening up.
Yeah, Sean. Yeah, that one.
I know parts of it. I need a good running song I can actually remember.
Look, Mom. No,
I can only do Roscoe's verse. Oh, S-C-O, we miss. Shawty put it. It's okay. Poppy, Shawty up there for me.
fucking on spikes.
That's under my practice bikes. What do you got on there, Lazos?
No, I have one there. I have on my game spike. Grass spikes for doing fast, bro. Pick it up, Aspen.
Let's go ask him. Go, you go, babe. Finish strong. Ah.